What's up YouTube, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to make a magic circle. It's very simple, so let me just show you quickly the difference between this is one that was formed without using a magic circle. You see it's all a big hole, and this is one used with a magic circle, barely visible, but this is when I was still learning, so it was a bit should be very without any hole at all. But yeah, let's get into it. Alrighty, now how to do the magic ring. Wrap your ring finger into it, wrap it around your two main fingers, your middle and your index. Take this yarn, your working yarn here, and wrap it into your index tightly. Make sure that's tight, that's important. Put your hook in, pull it into this working yarn here, twist your working yarn, pull your working yarn again, and pull it through into that little circle you just made there. And now you got the magic circle, there it is. Now how you work into it quickly. You take it, you hold your tail end there for you cover it with your work each time. So each single crochet you're doing, you want to cover that tail end. So there I just did a single crochet and wrap that tail around it. It's not part of the single crochet, but it's being covered by the single crochet. Again, I'll just go back and show you one more time. The tail is here. Hold it around the work either side. I prefer this side that it's closer to the working yarn. And there you go. See, it's worked into there now. That's it. That's the magic circle. Next up is the granny square. I'll see you there.